Bird Point is one of nature's finest masterpieces. A compelling wild area in a class all its own. It is a precious anomaly of the natural world. A mysterious ecosystem of unique specialization, dramatic geologic formations, and diverse flora and fauna. Gentle wetland marshes blend with spruce, birch, and giant willow forests. These are set gracefully among glacial-carved stone peninsulas and rock islands, all extending far into the tidal surge of Turnagain Arm. Wonder and magic greet those who enter this realm. The magic comes in many forms, discovering phenomena never before experienced, or connecting on inner planes with the natural healing and transformative power of this beautiful sanctuary. People in small numbers have gathered here for generations. They come to experience and enjoy the many values offered by this surreal landscape of changes. Some enjoy wilderness adventure, exploring the natural world and our own inner nature. Others enjoy photography, videography, or hiking. Bird Point is a meeting place for outdoor education, gatherings of friends and family, ceremonies, and music making. This is an unsurpassed setting for contemplation, yoga, tai chi, and other physical arts. This is a place of freedom and expression in nature for people and their animal companions. A place of transformation and renewal for body, mind, heart, and soul. Many of these values exist because of Bird Point's isolated and undeveloped character. Bird Point has remained largely undiscovered by nearby populations. Perhaps this is not by chance. Many people currently visiting here regard this as a sacred place. These people view themselves as stewards of this precious work of creation. Bird Point does not offer her many qualities by accident. Let us ensure that these qualities are not lost by accident. As a community of people involved and responsible for Bird Point, let us ensure that any development is implemented with the greatest care and patience. Let us ensure that current values offered here are maintained. Let us take the time to ask the most important questions and to answer them wisely and completely. Bird Point is presently a wilderness ecosystem in a state of pre-contact with modern society. We have a rare jewel in our hands. Let us be responsible to ourselves and accountable to future generations. As a community, let us work together to establish a commitment with Bird Point that recognizes and maintains the sanctity of this place, now and in the future.